Hey guys, today we are going to start a new project. We are going to be making a lizard or a fish or a dragon type of a sculpture. Anything that has a big mouth and ends with a small tail would be a great idea for this sculpture. Okay? To get started, all you need is a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a piece of construction paper. The biggest piece you have is probably the best. Means you'll have a big sculpture. Just use what you have, okay? It doesn't have to be construction paper, it could be any paper. To get started, we are going to fold the bottom edge of your paper up to the top edge of your paper. You're going to try really hard to line it up. It's okay if it's not 100% perfect. And then make your crease all the way down. Once you're there, it should look kind of like a sail or a big triangle on one side. Now with our scissors, we are going to trim off that extra rectangle at the side. We are going to keep that rectangle for later use, maybe to make fins or legs or something. Now you have a big triangle. I would like you to open your triangle, and now you have a big diamond shape. We're going to fold the bottom right-hand edge over to match our center line of our diamond. Line it up and then add your crease. Same thing on the opposite side. We're going to take the bottom edge, fold it to our center line, and add our crease. Now at this point we are going to unfold it, and you should have 4 sections where we will flip it over now. And now we need to add some X's to the far right-hand side, section number 4. We're not going to use this side, and I don't want you to waste your time coloring something that we're actually just going to put glue on top of. The first section is going to be the belly of your creature. You can use any pattern you want. The middle section is going to be the body and the sides. So we are going to work on symmetry. If I draw a line on one side, that means I have to draw the same line or a similar line on the other side. Okay? Draw lightly with pencil first, and then we will color this in with markers once we have our design finished. The more details you add, the better this project is going to look. Okay? It doesn't matter what designs you come up with. It is totally up to you how you design your creature. This is your custom creation. But remember that we're working on symmetry. These look the best if you make something that looks like a lizard or a dragon or a fish or something like that. So maybe a scale motif would be something that would work for you. Just remember, try your hardest to keep it symmetrical, but if something comes a little bit wacky, don't worry about it. You can always go back and fix it, and when we color it, it's going to look really nice, even if it's not perfectly symmetrical. And remember, animals in nature are not 100% symmetrical. Everyone has different bumps and bruises along the way. Here's my example of a finished copy. You can see I tried to make it mostly symmetrical, and the belly is a different pattern. We're going to fold it up. You can see how that is the back and sides, and that becomes the belly. And we'll work on adding all of our extra stuff next week. Have fun!